rebounding and assist. And steals pala. So.
For that, I have to credit my teammates kasi nasushoot nila yung mga pass ako. And that's what I said kanina when they asked me what was the difference of the team. Mas nakilala ko mga teammates ko, the familiarity. It was way better from my first conference. So yeah.
Mas malaki na ba role mo this time?
I think I'm just filling in the role of Kuya Gio. He's injured, so I'm just trying to help as much as I can, learn from him and Fran. So whatever the team needs, yun tinatry kong gawin.
How challenging was your first conference? Kasi it was totally different from yung time sa Lasala, you were the main guy and now.
Yeah, it was an adjustment period, but kasi here in the pros, I'm one of the youngest. Everybody's so good. The game is so slow. The pace is so slow. Everything's just read and react. So it was just an adjustment. That's why they would always tell me make the game slow, learn to make it slow, play with pace. So that was an adjustment for me, and I think I'm trying to learn day by day.
And then next games, how do you see the next games? Do you think you can replicate this? You can duplicate this?
Hopefully, or mahigatan ko sana. Kanina hindi ako makashoot. Alex 0 points. I was trying to find my rhythm, pero wala. So I just tried to pass a lot, try to facilitate. That's how I am naman. I'll just see how the game goes.
Okay,